If you want to maintain privacy while using Microsoft Teams, hiding your online status can be a useful feature. Follow these steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Open Microsoft Teams. Launch the Microsoft Teams application on your computer or mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Click on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner of the Teams window. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to open the Settings menu. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy. In the Settings menu, look for the Privacy tab on the left sidebar. Click on it to access privacy-related options. Step 4. Change status settings. Under the Privacy section, locate the option for Manage Status. Here, you can choose to set your status to be offline or adjust other status settings to limit visibility. Step 5. Save changes. After making your desired changes, ensure you save any adjustments if prompted. Close the Settings menu to return to your Teams workspace. By following these steps, you can effectively hide your online status in Microsoft Teams, allowing for a more private experience while using the platform.